In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address on Shopify. Updating your email is really important because it's the main way Shopify contacts you about orders, billing, security alerts, and important store notifications. So in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each step slowly and clearly, and you can follow along in your own Shopify admin. First, sign into your Shopify admin dashboard using your current login details. Once you're on the main admin page, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click that profile icon. When the drop-down menu appears, choose the option that takes you to your account. This will open your account settings in a new page or tab. On this new page, you'll be in the general settings area for your account. Near the top of the page, you'll see a section labeled Details. This section contains your basic account information, including your current email address. Within the Details section, look for the part labeled Email. This is the email address currently associated with your Shopify account. On the right side of that email line, you'll see an option to update it. Click on Update. When you do that, a pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm your identity. Shopify does this for security reasons, to make sure it's really you making changes to the account. In this pop-up, you'll be asked to enter your current account password. Type in your password carefully, then click the Verify button at the bottom right of the pop-up. After your password is verified, a new pop-up will open. This is where you'll enter the new email address you want to use for your Shopify account. Type in the new email address, making sure there are no typos. It's a good idea to double-check the spelling, especially if this is an email you use for business or customer communication. Once you're confident it's correct, click the Change Email button at the bottom right. At this point, Shopify will send a verification email to the new address you just entered. Open your email inbox for that address, look for the message from Shopify, and follow the instructions inside to confirm the change. The email usually contains a verification link you need to click. After you verify, your Shopify account will officially use this new email address for future logins and notifications.